Why is the ocean conveyor belt so important for climate? Imagine a giant, slow-moving river flowing through the ocean, carrying water, heat, and nutrients all around the world. This is not a river you can see, but a vast system of ocean currents called the ocean conveyor belt. It acts like a giant circulatory system for the planet's oceans. This system is vital because it helps move warm water from the equator toward the poles and cold water back toward the equator. This movement helps keep Earth's climate balanced. Without it, some areas would become extremely cold, while others would get very hot. The conveyor belt works because of differences in water temperature and saltiness. Warm, less salty water stays near the surface, while cold, salty water sinks deep into the ocean. Cold water sinks mainly in the North Atlantic Ocean and then flows southward. Meanwhile, warm water from the tropics moves toward the poles on the surface. This continuous loop helps distribute heat across the globe, making regions like Northern Europe much milder than they would be without this system. This process also helps bring nutrients from the deep ocean up to the surface. These nutrients support marine life, which is important for ecosystems and fishing industries. When cold, nutrient-rich water rises, it feeds tiny plants called phytoplankton. These tiny plants are the base of the ocean food chain, supporting fish, whales, and many other marine animals. The ocean conveyor belt also influences weather and rainfall patterns worldwide. It helps control how much rain falls in different places. For example, areas near the conveyor belt tend to have more consistent rainfall, which is good for farming and ecosystems. If the conveyor belt slows down or stops, some regions could get colder and have more snow, while others might face droughts or flooding. Another key role of this system is in regulating carbon dioxide levels. Cold ocean water can absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When the conveyor belt moves this water deep into the ocean, it helps reduce greenhouse gases in the air, which affects climate change. Scientists are worried that melting ice sheets, especially in the North Atlantic, could add fresh water to the ocean. Fresh water is less salty and less dense, which can slow down the sinking of cold water. If this happens, the entire conveyor belt could weaken or stop, leading to big changes in climate and weather patterns. In short, the ocean conveyor belt is like a giant engine that keeps Earth's climate stable. It moves heat, nutrients, and carbon dioxide around the globe, supporting ecosystems and helping control the weather. Understanding this system helps us see how connected the ocean is to the air we breathe and the climate we experience every day. Teaching about it in fun and interactive ways can help students see how important the ocean is for life on Earth.